Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Devonshire wooden frame stacking armchair. Assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, Part A and B back legs, Part C and D front legs with integral arms, Part E 4x65mm long bolts, Part F 4x85mm long bolts, 1 Allen key. Pick up the seat pad and make sure the slot in the 4 threaded insets are pointing outwards like this. Next, sort the front and back legs into pairs. The holes on the outside of the legs are countersunk. Fit the back leg onto the dowels of the seat pad like this and secure lightly with one of the 65mm Part E bolts. Do not fully tighten the bolts at this point of the assembly. Now fit the front leg onto the dowels in the front of the seat pad like this and secure with another 65mm Part E bolt. Again, it's important you do not fully tighten the bolts at this point of the assembly. Now turn the chair over and repeat the leg assembly on the other side, making sure all the bolts are loose. Next, you can stand the chair upright and fit the back pad into place. Now secure the back pad with 4 85mm Part F bolts. Finally, with all the bolts in the chair inserted, you can tighten them up. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Please keep your Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it, your Devonshire wooden frame stacking armchair from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.